Nihiwatu Beach is nestled on the island of Sumba, Indonesia, and is known as one of the most beautiful and luxurious beach destinations in the world. With its pristine landscape and characteristics of Indonesian waters, Nihiwatu attracts visitors with its wild beauty, smooth white sand and emerald green sea. Nihiwatu is not only an ideal destination for those who want to relax and enjoy peaceful moments by the sea, but also a place to experience stimulating recreational activities such as surfing, scuba diving, and fishing. Fish or join tours to explore the surrounding area. With an area of about 2.3 square kilometers, Nihiwatu Beach is located in an unspoiled natural area, including red cliffs and smooth white sand. The long shallow sea with wide sandy beaches and clear blue seawater creates conditions for extracurricular activities such as surfing, swimming and immersing yourself in the cool water. Nihiwatu Beach, located on Sumba Island, Indonesia, is a destination famous not only for its amazing natural beauty but also for its unique and diverse climate. This region has a humid tropical climate system, with two distinct seasons, dry season and rainy season. Animal nature and coral reefs are two inseparable parts of the marine ecosystem. In areas such as Nihiwatu Beach, Indonesia, the biodiversity and natural beauty of animals and coral reefs play an important role in attracting tourists and maintaining the ecological balance of the waters. Girls in Nihiwatu often have wild and free beauty, love to explore and enjoy outdoor life. With tanned skin, long hair blowing in the wind and bright eyes, they create an attractive and seductive image amidst the blue beach and fine white sand. Nihiwatu Beach, with its amazing natural beauty and luxury tourism services, has contributed significantly to Indonesia's tourism economy. Nihiwatu's attraction not only attracts international tourists but also stimulates the development of the domestic tourism industry, bringing employment and income opportunities to the entire local community. Subscribe to our Wandering channel today so you don't miss any new videos and share our passion for exploring with your friends and family. Let's explore the world together and create memorable memories.